This is one of our risers in our pasture, and the way this works is that this top right here lets you open the valve under there. I'll take this off in a minute so you can see it, but the hose comes out of here and then it goes into some pipes and they go all the way along there, and those pipes have little sprinkler risers on them and it sprinkles the whole pasture. But I want to change this because the way that this is set up now, it's leaking like crazy, and you can see that it leaks all summer when the irrigation water is running in the irrigation system, and then it's creating this channel, and it's just a big sloppy mess. It gets wet all throughout here, and I don't like it. I want it to be like that other riser way over there that doesn't leak when the sprinklers are not on. So here's how this works. This is just a top, and that clamps on there, but underneath it is this valve right here. And so that handle on top brings something down along this and lets you spin this out to open this valve. And then the way this works now is that this piece, which is just two pieces welded together, that bottom end slips down into this. And all this is this is a steel pipe coming up, and right here is a weld so that it bells out. And there's this rubber gasket in there, right there, that when the water pressure is on, so when we're going to run the sprinklers and the pressure hits that gasket, it expands out and then it doesn't leak. But because we are at the bottom of the irrigation system for the farmer, when the water is not under pressure, when his pump is not on, then that gasket isn't expanded. It's in like this, and water just leaks out of this constantly. And it's not tons, but it's enough that it's creating this channel here, and it makes it all wet. So I'm gonna cut this off here and weld on a new piece. This is the piece that I'm gonna weld on right there. And this piece is threaded. It goes into those threads, and then you can see that the result of that will be a new valve. That same thing will go on top of it, but it'll be a new valve, and it'll be sealed all the way around so it won't leak. That's if I do a good weld. So here it is under pressure. I definitely have some little pinholes where it's coming out. Just on that side though. Everywhere else is good. So when the season's over, that is where I will add some more material. It's okay if it's like that when it's under pressure, but hopefully it doesn't leak too much when it's not. We'll see.